This is Brian916. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be doing a product review from a company called TACKLIFE. I got introduced to this company called TACKLIFE. I want to say last year I bought a jump pack, and this jump pack was a really nice jump pack. It has a great case. It keeps everything nice and organized, and I really like that. And this power bank works really well. And so when they reached out to me and they asked me to review a product, you know, I said, yeah, I knew some of their stuff is good. I don't know about all of their stuff, but I know some of their stuff is good. They gave me the option to review this mini hot air gun, a hammer drill, and a palm sander. And so I decided to go with the mini hot air gun. So let's open this up and take a closer look at the product itself and test it out. All right, so here's everything that comes with this mini heat gun. I have a larger size heat gun. So I'm really interested in seeing how well this mini heat gun performs. This is everything that comes in the kit. It has an accessory here for heat shrink. So we're gonna put that to the test today. We'll heat shrink something and see how well it works. And then of course it has a user guide in here. So let's get this thing plugged in and let's see how well it works. All right, so I got this thing plugged in. So you can see in there, it is getting hot. Got a little stand on it as well. All right, so what I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna solder some wire together, slide some heat shrink on there, and we'll put our little mini heat gun to the test. Okay, as you can see, we got the two wire connections soldered up. Now I can slide my heat shrink over there, and let's see how good this TACKLIFE can shrink the tubing. Well, that worked out great. You can see how well that turned out. So I'm actually pretty impressed with the way this TACKLIFE mini heat gun works. I gotta say, I kind of like it. I do like how it has this stand right here to get it up off of the surface. So if you're doing what I was doing, heat shrinking some wire together, you won't accidentally burn the surface that you happen to be working on because it's a little stand. And I do like the feel of this little guy. They put rubber all around it, so it really feels kind of nice to hold, nice and comfortable. So yeah, all around I think it's a pretty nice mini heat gun. I'm not done with it yet though. I got one more job for it. So now I plan to use my TACKLIFE mini heater to remove this old worn out Chevrolet Emblem and replace it with this new black Chevrolet Emblem. So let's go ahead and see if this TACKLIFE mini heat gun can handle the job. All right, as you can see, no problem. I was able to get this old Chevy Emblem off. Okay, so that was my review of this TACKLIFE mini heat gun. I like this mini heat gun. It actually works a lot better than I thought it was going to work. I put it in real world application. It definitely knocked those tasks out of the park very easy. So I wanted to put it through use before I recommend it to my viewers. And so I do recommend this tool. I really don't know how long it'll last, but it does work, and it works well. It gets very hot. If you take a closer look on this cord, it has some warranty information here. So you'll be able to scan this barcode right here and register your heat gun. So it looks like it comes with a 12-month warranty. So again, I don't know how long this will last, but you at least get a year warranty on a product. Okay, so the only thing I don't like about this tool is the fact that it doesn't come with a carrying case. It's not going to take long before this little accessory gets lost. I don't know who this tool is being marketed towards, but TACKLIFE, if you're watching this, if this is being marketed towards professional tradesmen, you need to put it in a case, much like you put this TACKLIFE mini jump pack in a case, because most tradesmen is going to have a lot of tools in their toolbox, and this tool could easily get crushed by some heavier tools. So that's the only thing that I don't necessarily like about the tool, but other than that, it's a fantastic tool. It's going to get the job done. So if you're interested in a tool, there will be a link in the description where you can pick this tool up, as well as a discount code. This is Brian916. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one.